Guys, welcome back to another video. We're in the park again, and we are feeding the birds again. Looks like we have some of our bird friends from last time. I hope. I think we have some of the bird friends from last time. Oh yeah, we also brought some cinnamon rolls for the birds too. We also brought some nuts for the squirrels. Yeah. So let's get throwing. And the birds came over here fast. I'm just gonna throw some bread over there by the corner. I wonder if they'll see that piece of bread. Hiya. Hiya. It's satisfying watching birds eat. Wait, I want to give that bird. No, come here. Wait, come here. Wait, hold up. No. Oh, you guys get that. Boo. Oh, that bird was just about to fly. But he's like, nah. Birds are like intimidated to fly. And then they're like, nope, I'm not flying anymore. Boom. Hey, birds. Those two birds. Eat it. Come on. Eat it all. Yes. The birds are getting so quick. I wonder if they'll eat it if it's like here. I'm just gonna leave this and see if they come. Right there. Hopefully they come. Whoa, what is this? Is this?
Isa kinds of bread.
Ooh.
Different kind.
Oh, it's hard. Come on, guys. Oh, look, guys, a bird is coming close to us. Oh.
Yeah.
Trying to get the food as close to I am right now, but not that close because they can get intimidated. Gosh, man. I just broke the bread with my thumb. Here you go. Eat the bread. Oh, wait, you guys too. Come on, eat the bread. Okay, let's get... Oh, I feel bad for that bird in the corner. I feel bad for that bird. He's like all the way in the corner. Hey, another bird joined us. Come on, eat the bread right here. Maybe it doesn't want to get too close to us yet. Come on. Yes, you, come over here. Okay, yes, yes. Yay! Yay! We finally got a bird close to us. Yay. Okay. My mom's gonna throw the bread now. Okay. Oh gosh. Yeah. This is pretty nice. Okay, birds. Oh wait, this piece is too big right here. Ugh. Okay, come on, you, Connor. Okay, there's some birds in the corner that feel like they're being left out on the food. Okay, wait, they need food over there. Come on, guys. I'm throwing some food all the way over there. As soon as I threw it, the birds just were like, nope.
The one yesterday, the other bird, or the other day?
Yeah, but it was another person. Oh wait, we didn't show that on camera. I ended the video there. Oh, these cinnamon rolls are very sticky, but it's fine. Come on, corner piece, guys. Ooh, oh gosh. This is a very... Oh yeah, here you go. Place it right there. Just cause, why not? Okay, this piece of bread is too big for them. Okay, oh. Yeah, okay. Oh, Sylvania. Okay, let's see, where else should I throw it? Ugh. One bird is just looking for food. Hey, wait, no, I had to give food to those birds. Oh gosh, they ran out of food. Ugh. Those guys ran out of food. Don't worry, we got you. Oh gosh, we're running out of bread fast. Yeah, I wish they came over here. Oh gosh.
Oh.
Look how many birds there are. That actually scared me of how many birds flew away. That was so loud. That was loud.
Yeah.
It actually scared me. I don't know if it shake the camera. Look, so many birds came back. Come on, you can eat, all of you. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, we're running out of bread. Ugh.
Yeah, no more, no more.
No more bread. Those are the last pieces.
No more, no
I
more.
guess throw them. I guess throw those last bread pieces. Oh man. Oh gosh. Well, this is the last piece of bread. Well, oops. Okay, I'm gonna throw the bread that I put close to me to them.
Some leftover food or
Yeah.
leftover bread. We're gonna do that.
Yeah, we don't have any extra bread. We have some nuts, but those are for the squirrels. I don't think birds will eat the nuts because it's too hard for them. So, yeah. And I need to wash my hands. But it's
I have
fine.
a napkin. We're gonna wash it later.
Okay.
Just move back a little bit. You're gonna come over.
Okay. Ooh.
Later.
Ow. Yeah.
The bird is over.
Guys, 2 more birds came into the flock. Sorry guys, we don't have any more bread. They're looking for more bread.
Oh, look at the Maya.
Oh yeah, there's 2.
Oh, Maya.
Come on. They're looking for more food. Some birds just pushed each other.
Look at the Maya. They're together. Oh.
Yeah. They're still looking for food. Guys, if you're looking for food, right there. They don't see that piece right there. Come on, guys, eat it. I'm gonna wait for a bird. You missed it. Hey, you. You? No, stop eating the flowers. There's literally a piece of bread under you. Oh, okay. Come on. Yes, I'm zooming in on you. Yes.
Oh, do you
You're
know how
famous
many
now.
birds in there? Let me count.
Oh. Okay, well, someone finally got that bread piece. Oh gosh, what was that? He liked. That was the thing he did. Yeah, look at all these birds. They are nice. Okay, it's not as sunny as it was before. Oh gosh.
90.
90 degrees.
No, it's a 90 birds.
Oh. I thought you meant degrees.
Like 90
Wow.
to 100.
Look at all those birds right there, just seeing those bread. There's a big piece of bread right there. Guys, come on.
That's only for him.
Yeah. Yay. I'm gonna zoom in on this bird. Right here. Pretty nice. Oh my gosh. Yeah, those birds over there, they ran out of food.
Look the baby. Look at the baby.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very close.
Oh yeah, they're very
Don't
close.
move, baby.
I want to touch them.
I know.
It's tempting.
I remember Alexis and Alexis.
Yeah. I told you about those guys in the last park video. Oh, they got scared. Oh man, I want to really touch this bird so much. Oh, it's so tempting. My hand looks so close to it, but no. It's just because I zoomed it in. Oh my gosh. Well, I think they finished all the bread. Well, most of it. There's still some, but they finished all the bread. Like, they're still chomping on that one piece over there. Yeah. Why is his feet red? That's cool. Hey, look. Hey, wait, no. Someone's other feet are red. Hey, wait. This guy. Oh, wait. All their feet are red. Okay, guys. You can eat. Wow. Hey, look at that bird. He's like, thank you so much. See, look, he's looking at the camera.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Yeah, he's looking. Say sub to Mr. Duck XD. You guys should do that. Oh wait, there's still some bread pieces right there. I can barely see the bread pieces. I'm looking. I look behind the camera. Now I'm just looking not behind the camera. I don't know if you understand what he just said, but yeah. Oof. Oh wait, there's still a piece of bread over there? Dang, I didn't know that. There's still a piece of bread right there. It's big. Somebody get it. Lol. I don't even know where I'm zooming at anymore. This bird, he's really happy.
Really happy.
Yes, we gave him food and now he... Oh, guys, look! Yo, he's so close. Yo, wait, he was so close. Like, oh my gosh. Yo, did you see how close he was? I don't know if you guys saw how close it was because it was zoomed in. But he was so close. Like, as start as I moved the camera, he just went away like, nope. They're getting so close. I can't even tell which one I was looking at before. Yeah. I don't know if they're thanking us in their bird language. They probably are. Oh, look at that bird. Look, he's looking at us. Yeah, say hi to the camera. Oh, guys, look at this bird. He's close. He's actually pretty close. Okay, bye. What is this bird doing? Hello? Do 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 do. Wait, there's still a big piece of bread there. Or was that the same piece of bread before? No, I still see one like right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. Hey, look at that! A robin. A robin's right over there. Oh man, you came in late. Oh, you came in late. Sorry, man. There's still some food right there. Like if I boom, boom, boom. I kind of get scared. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. They're not that scared. Okay. Okay. Oof. Hey, wait, look at that robin. I think he was flying off some food. I don't know. Or is that the same robin from the last park video? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Okay. I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm just hypnotized by all this. Some of the birds left. They're full. Okay, yeah. Thank you for coming to the party. The bird party. Dang, this bird's really feasted on some cinnamon rolls. He really likes it. He's just saving more for later. Okay, bye bird. I think that's the bird that said thank you to us. No, not that bird. Behind this bird, eating the bread, him. Okay, yeah, some of the birds are flying away because they're full. Or they're just walking. And look at those two birds just walking like, I'm just following the leader. They're literally following each other. Look at this bird. He's so close to us. I want to touch him. Oof. Boom. Let's see if they got scared. Boom. Kind of got scared. We don't have any more, sorry. We only have nuts. Yeah. Because birds can't eat nuts. They could eat nuts, but they might choke doing it. Because nuts are hard for them. So I don't want to feed them nuts. Just bread is fine, because they can actually take... Oh gosh, no, dog, no, don't you dare scare the birds. No, you scared the birds. Ah! Yeah, you feel proud of yourself? Oh, great. That's just nice, man. Good dog. Okay. Yep. One bird was prepared to fly, and then he's like, nah, I still want to stay here. It was this bird right there. Yeah, that bird.
They still have some piece of bread.
Yeah, they still have that piece of bread right there.
Two more piece.
We're
Over there.
Oh, okay. Okay, goodbye. Thank you for coming to the party.
The bread party.
Yes, bread party. Oh no! Wait, why am I saying oh no? But thank you. Hey, look, some birds are leaving now. Okay, yeah, you filled your stomachs. This bird is really getting a number. Lol. No, he's still looking for bread pieces. I feel so bad for him. He ate the food. I mean, we don't have any spare bread. Do we still have like the crumbles? The crumbs? Oof.
That's only the whatever our old bread or leftover.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, let's go.
Okay, yeah, let's go. You birds just eat. Oh man. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Carry me.
Okay. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah. Bye guys.